Okay, Jai Hind friends. Welcome to the logarithm type 5 problems over there. It is very important question as per the SSC board examination point of view. So let us start. What is the condition? If 2.3 power x equal to 0.23 power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Definitely first time whenever anyone will see this problem, they will get a fear that how to solve that. This question is very easy here. Now see here, this equal to this one and it is equal to this one. So can I say 0.23 power x will be equal to this one, because all of them are equal. So let us start then. 2.3 power x equal to 1000. I will note it down first. After that, second, how I can represent here? Second number I can represent that, let me write here right side, 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. I can note it down. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now after that, this x value is there. Down, if I am shifting in right side, as the previous video, if you didn't watch then you can continue. In that video we learn, if the square root is there, if I am transferring to another side, then it will become square. If I am transferring square to another side, then it will become square root. So here it is x, if I am transferring another side, then it will be 0.23 power 1 by x. 1 by x. And similarly, if let it be equation number 1, this side. Okay, now let me condition this one. 0.23 power y is there. If I am transferring another side, then it will become 1000 power 1 by y. Let it be equation number 2. Now, I will solve in a very shortcut way to solve this problem. There are many steps you can solve that, but I believe so that student time should be less, and according to that only students should be able to solve it. Say equation 1 and 2. Now, divide equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. Now let us divide. 2.3 divided by 0.23 equal to, right side also, what is the 0.23? 2.3 right side, 1000, value 1 by x equal to, right side it will be 1000 power 1 by y. Clear here? Now here 2.3 I am writing. Can I note it down here like that? If I am 2.3, if I am cutting one decimal, suppose okay, don't be confused, let me put it simple. 2.3, can I write 2.3 divided by 10? Because one decimal if I am removing, I can write in denominator 10. Similarly, 0.23 is given over there. I can note it down in the form of 0.23. I can write here 23 divided by, after point how many digits are there? 2 digits. So I can write here 100. Here after decimal how many digits are there? 1 digit, due to that I have written over here 10. Now similarly, let's move to the right side. Now 1000 power 1 by x, 1000 power 1 by y. If I am shifting this denominator sign in numerator, then I will get here value 1000 bracket 1 by x minus 1 by y directly. If I am sending in outside, if I am taking the common 1000, then 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay, after that how I will solve this? Up to here we got a steps, correct? Now after that how to solve? Now see here, we will do the solving of the fraction. Now 23 into 100, 23 into 100, 10 into 23. Now 23 cancel, 10 cancel, left side it is left only 10. Remaining here it will be 1000 power 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here how much I got left side here? After cancelling everything, 10 is equal to 1000 power 1 by x minus 1 by y. Up to here clear? Now let us move to the next part. That is 10 equal to 1000 power 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now 1000 how I can write here? Equal to, can I write here 10 power 3? 10 power 3 is known as 1000. Very good. 1 by x minus 1 by y. Can I note it down? Very good. Next, 10 is equal to 10 power. If I am taking out 3 in another side, then I can write here 1 by x minus 1 by y, because it is in power form. If you don't know, then I think you have remembered this exponential condition. Then it will be m into n. So here also I got same 10 power 3 into this entire number, so I will multiply with both. Now after that what I will do, 10 power nothing means 1 equal to 10 power 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now, since the base is same, we know one more identity, that is x power n is equal to x power n. If the base is same, then exponent, therefore we can say exponent is equal. Now the same pattern, what we can say here, base is same, then 1 is equal to 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now 3 is in multiply left side, if I will send, then it will become division, then my answer will be 1 by 3 equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now this is my equation, and what is the question demand from us, that is 1 by x minus 1 by y. In the same pattern, this is the most simplest way to solve this problem. After that also many steps are there, but in that condition it will be huge steps and you need to remember much more in that. So if you understand it, okay. If you are not understanding, watch the video again and again until unless you will get the full grip, because shorten the way but marks will remain same with by the examiner. So that try to understand each and every concept, and if you are not getting any points, you try to watch the previous video also, you will get it, because it is the last type 5 problem that you are going to expect in your SSC board examination. So if you have any doubt, you can drop your questions in my comment box, I will solve it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.